Welcome to MindFuel, your daily practice of turning insight into inner strength. Today's meditation is designed to create a moment for you to pause, to soften, and to remember the quiet beauty of simply being. In the next few minutes, you'll be guided back to yourself, to a place where there is nothing to fix, nothing to prove, only space to breathe, to belong, and to be. This meditation is a gift, a doorway to deep peace, a way to nourish your spirit with the gentle power of self-gratitude. Let's step through it together. Find a position that feels like a yes in your body, a position that says, I am safe, I am home. When you are ready, let your eyes flutter close like a leaf, settling onto still water. Begin to feel your body, the way it softens with permission, the way it sighs with relief when you let go. Take 3 slow, deep breaths, in through the nose, filling the belly like a balloon, and out through the mouth, releasing, softening, surrendering. As you breathe, invite this mantra into your heart. With every breath, I return to myself. Feel its rhythm match the rise and fall of your breath. With every breath, I return to myself. With every breath, I return to myself. With every breath, you return. With every breath, you come home. If your mind wanders, let it. Like a cloud drifting across the sky. No pulling, no chasing. Just return again and again to the breath, to the body, to the gentle mantra of belonging. With every breath, I return to myself. With every breath, I return to myself. Now, invite gratitude to bloom inside you, not for anything you've done, but for who you are. A miracle. Place a hand on your heart if you like. Wrap your arms around yourself if that feels right. Or simply bask in the quiet glow growing within you. Let gratitude move through you like golden light. No effort, no force. Just receiving, just being. You are here. You are enough. You are a living breath of gratitude. Stay here a few more moments, bathing in this feeling, letting it soak into every cell. When you're ready, gently flutter your eyes open, like the first morning light. Carry this softness with you. Carry this belonging with you. You are home, always, you can return to this place, this feeling, anytime you choose.